Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Friends, we use Google Chrome every day to browse the internet, but some Chrome settings can use unnecessary background activity, mobile data, and battery. So, in today's video, I'll show you some important Chrome settings that you can change to help reduce unnecessary battery usage. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Next, tap on your Google account. Here, you'll see several sync options, such as History and Tabs, Bookmarks, Reading List, Addresses, Passwords, and more. If you don't need certain information to sync with your other devices, you can turn those options off. Disabling unnecessary sync can reduce background sync activity, which can help save battery on your phone. Now go back to Chrome settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and find the Preload Pages option. Tap on it. Now you'll see the preloading options. Select No Preloading. When this feature is turned off, Chrome won't preload websites in the background before you open them. This can reduce unnecessary background activity and mobile data usage, which can help save battery. Now go back to Chrome settings again. Tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Safe Browsing. Here you'll see options such as Enhanced Protection and Standard Protection. Choose Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection depending on your preference. However, it's better not to select No Protection. Safe Browsing helps protect you from harmful websites and dangerous downloads. Keep in mind that this setting is mainly for security, not battery saving. So the important thing here is to keep your device protected. Now go back to Chrome settings. Tap on Notifications. If you don't need Chrome notifications, you can simply turn them off. If you want to keep notifications enabled, check the list of website notifications. If you see websites sending unnecessary advertisements or notifications, tap on that website, then turn its notifications off. This can reduce unnecessary notifications and background activity, which may help save battery. Now go back to Chrome settings. Scroll down and tap on Appearance, then tap on Theme. Here you'll see options such as Light, Dark, and System Default. If your phone has an AMOLED display, you can select the dark theme. On AMOLED displays, using a dark theme can reduce power consumption in some situations. So when browsing Chrome for a long time, using dark theme may help save battery. The names and locations of these settings may be slightly different depending on your Android phone brand, Android version, and Chrome version. If you can't find a particular option, use your phone's settings search bar and search for the option by name. That's it. By checking and changing these settings according to your needs, you can reduce unnecessary background activity, preloading, and notifications in Chrome. This may help reduce your phone's battery and mobile data usage and allow you to use your phone more efficiently. So friends, these were some important Google Chrome settings that can help reduce battery usage on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And for more useful Android tips, privacy settings, and technology tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.